Hi, so Natalie, this is Jonathan. I thought I'd give you a brief video of how this works. I built the demo for you, as you can see here now. So basically, if you go to previewyourapp.com, you can do the same as what I'm doing now. Otherwise, what actually is better is to download the preview app off iTunes, and I'll put that as a link on the email I'll send you. So use your current location, yeah. So in here, just type where it asks for email address. Just type in Royal Southern. Royal Southern. Ignore the password, and so just hit next and go. This will now take you directly to your app. So mailing list, yes or no. Yes will sign you straight up. I'm going to hit no because it's going to ask my details. So very simply, bunch of pictures sliding across on the home screen. You can have one straightforward standard picture, or you can have just one or two pictures. You can change them. You can change them as often as you like. It's really easy to do. I can show you how to do this as well, or I can do it as well. So basically, you have a bunch of navigation here, and then you have a bunch more navigation here, okay? We can add as many or as few. You can have one line here. You can have two lines. You can have them down the side down here. You can actually have them down the side on the left or across on the top. And this picture here is, I've just taken this off your website and decided to put a nice little shot of the ocean and the sky, but we can do anything. I can also change these buttons, the colors, all these labels, everything can change. We can do whatever you like. So very quickly, contact. This takes you very simply to one screen. Call it. If you click that, it will directly call the number that we put in here, which at the moment goes to your office. So actually it's your number itself. So we can put whatever you want in there. Website takes you directly to your own website. And email us will take you straight, so they can email you straight away. Again, I think that's your email. So very simple, very easy, very quick. So if someone is on the way driving to you guys and they want to suddenly, like, oh my God, whereabouts, what do I need to go? Instead of having to go on Google on their mobile and search for the website and search for the address, then copy paste a postcode, put it into their maps and get directions, all they got to do is click this. That button will take them directly. It will link your location to where they are now, and they can simply follow the directions. Really easy. Offers, you don't have to do this, but obviously you can as well. Offers is anything you want to offer to people. So these are actually QR coupons. So they are the square barcodes. So we work with a lot of yoga instructors and Pilates and bars, and things like, if you want to buy 5 coffees, get the 6 free, they have a thing behind the counter, and the customer simply, it takes seconds, they simply take their phone out, scan the QR code, and it unlocks a kind of one of the boxes. So they can do it 5 times and they get the 6th one free. You can do any of these things. You can have buy 10, buy 7, drinks, food. You can obviously do it for any sailing stuff. So it could be, book 4 regattas and get 5th half price. You can do absolutely anything you like. You can also hide everything. Messages. This is push notifications. Push notifications is something, what I mentioned on the phone. If you want to tell people or do a broadcast message to say, oh, sailing's delayed, sailing's cancelled, or check out this new event, anything you want, you can do that here, and it would pop up here. Fan wall, you can have this or not. Very simply, anybody putting comments. It's quite engaging. Any of these you can hide, not hide, or have. So what I've done here, more basically, this is the gallery. So I've just taken some pictures right now, and you can kind of see a bunch of pictures. You can have descriptions alongside each picture as well. So I've just taken these, like I say, off your website. Quite a nice little feature. Events is anything that you've got coming up that you want people to know about. So I saw there were 2 on there right now. I can change, we can put anything in there, and we can change all of this. So description, we can change the background, the text, we can add in pictures. You can actually let people say, yep, I'm going, and then share that to social media. So really quite cool. If they want to take pictures, they can actually take pictures via their own phone and add it to the gallery as well, which is kind of cool. Again, and I saw you had a Christmas rally from Cow, so I just made this brief kind of little header for you. Obviously that's just Latin language, I didn't know what to put on there. So that's events. schedule, this can be any kind of racing that's coming up. So I just made these up right now. 2014, I saw this on your website actually. So these pictures can all change. You can have logos, whatever you like in there. And again, all the text you can add in pictures. We can do the same and add a header at the top again. Just a nice quick brief listing of all the events. So you can, again, we can put a header on here or picture and text. So quite a nice easy reference. Someone wants to say, oh, I wonder what event's coming up, just quickly access it. Your photos is any photos that they want to take and add to your gallery. You'd have to approve it. Whether I've linked this directly to your own website, so they click on that and it will take them straight to the weather that's listed on your website. But we can actually direct them anywhere for this as well. So here's the contact. So literally you can have the little pictures, whatever you want to say here. I've called you selling secretary. Then you've got, I've just created a simple blue background, writing. If you click that off the phone, it will call you directly. So really simple. You can center this, have them bigger and so forth, and your email. Same as Chris. Just again, very quick reference. If you have a newsletter and you want people to sign up, this is where they can just sign up for that. We can link that up to your things directly. Social, your Twitter, website, YouTube, and Facebook. YouTube, you've only got 2 videos on there right now. We could actually do some more of this, and you'll see I've actually added a YouTube page later as well, which is a bit more video clips and fun stuff. So yeah, as you'll see, Facebook. Because this is preview app, it's not linked to my account right now, although you can still see everything that's going on your Facebook page. Race results. So I just started having a little brief look. Because you've got some HTML and some PDFs, this is the HTML one. April, May, April, click on April. You can change any of this. I saw these on your website, so British Keelboat Academy, Race 1, Race 2, Race 3, and you had the overall IRC. I made up this brief header, and then you've got all the results here as well, so everyone can see it quite easily on their phone. Again, RAC2, all there. Hamble to Yarmouth, same thing, and Yarmouth to Hamble. So it's all directly on their phone, nice and easy to see. You can have as many, just carry on scrolling down. You have got the PDFs as well, which would be a different tab, unfortunately, but this is really easy to do as well. This literally links up to your website, so it's all there. So it's so simple to do. I can show you, and I don't mean doing it for you. So everything's at the tip of their fingers, really. Video tips. I've linked this up to. So basically, these are all a bunch of videos off YouTube. I think I did it off Yacht, one of the yachting ones, which is basically it's a series of quite cool little tips and tricks. And you just click on the video, and takes you to this. And actually, it will play the video on your phone. So I think this is Yachting World. Oh. Yeah, Yachting World. So I won't play don't think we need to see the video right now. Yeah, and then I put your login as well. So if someone wants to log into your website for this, that they can do it also via the app. So that gives you a brief overview. There's a whole bunch more stuff that we can add in. We can take stuff out, but it gives you an idea about the things you can do. So it's quite a nice little thing to have for all the people who are racing and so forth, to see what's going on, instead of having to be directed to a website and so forth. So yeah, let me know what you think. So this is just a brief overview of the message system and push notifications. So I will give you access to this backend. This is where everything actually is. So you can actually update things yourself, or I'm happy to also help you. Messages, you simply click that. Great little tool. So a couple of things. If let's say you've got a new race series you just launched. So for example, you may have one in January. It'd be like check out our new race series. Book now. If you click this will connect to your Facebook account and to your Twitter account. So this message will be pushed to not just people's phones, but also to your Facebook and Twitter account. You can do this based on location. So if you want to target people, everybody who's got the app will be all users, or you can actually specify specific areas. So this is you now. We can actually just drag and drop this right over here. You can expand it. You can do up to 20. You can do whatever radius you want, 50k, or just do all users. Content, you can link this to a website, to an app, to a tab within the phone, or we can create a template. Let's say, for example, URL. Let's go home. So to give you a brief example, we'll put in your website preview. So this is what they would be linked to, and you simply publish it. You can send it on a specific, you can schedule it to go out on a specific time and date, or you can send it now. So that would appear on everyone's phone, on your Facebook and Twitter timeline. Another nice little feature which you can integrate. So I know you've got the bars and restaurants. So let's say you've got a special offer on, or maybe you're quiet one evening. You could actually, by using this, say, join us this evening at 5 p.m. for a half price drink in the bar, or special offer in the restaurant tonight. So anything like that, and then using your the location base, you can actually then specify people within like a couple of miles radius of you. Awesome, really. And again, you can link it up to your website and again publish. So if you did want to drive a little bit of business, get some incremental revenue, if you were quiet, you can do that via this as well. Great little feature to use. Any questions? Give me a shout. Sorry, I should just add, with the push notifications, this is where you can also go out and say things like races delayed, or race cancelled due to weather, anything like that. So this is that additional thing that I mentioned on the phone. So lots and lots of great little additional things you can use with it.